Hi and welcome to your first Korean lesson. Today we will learn basic greetings and you will also see how to pronounce them. In any language, you must know how to greet someone at first. So we use hello and hi. There are two types of situations, one is formal and one is casual. We use formal language with those people who are elder, respectful, or strangers, and we use casual language with our friends or with those who are very close to us. So, how do we say hello in formal way? We say 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. You can see it in English. Next is how to say hi in casual way. It's 안녕. We just don't use 하세요 with it. We just say 안녕. First was 안녕하세요 and second is 안녕. Use 안녕하세요 in formal situations and use 안녕 with friends or younger people. Next is how to say goodbye. There are different ways of saying goodbye. It's a little tricky, but if you just understand it, you will get it right away. First one is 안녕히 계세요. It's a formal way of saying goodbye, but you use it when you are leaving. For example, you are guest at someone's house and you are leaving now. It's time for you to leave. You will say 안녕히 계세요 to the host because it means stay in peace. Write it down that 안녕히 계세요 means stay in peace. And you will say 안녕히 계세요 when you are leaving and the other person is staying. Second one is 안녕히 가세요. It's also formal way of saying goodbye and it means go in peace. And you use this way of saying goodbye when someone is leaving and you are staying. For example, a guest is leaving from your house, then you will say 안녕히 가세요 to that person, which will mean go in peace. This was the formal way of saying goodbye in two ways. Next one is casual. You say 잘 가 when the other person is leaving. Next is 잘 있어. 잘 있어. You say 잘 있어 when you are leaving and the other person is staying. It's a little confusing, but once you learn it, you will never forget. Say 안녕히 계세요 if you are leaving. Say 안녕히 가세요 if the other person is leaving. And use 잘 가 or 잘 있어 with friends or younger ones. Let's move on to the next point, which is thank you. How do you say thank you in Korean? Formal way of saying thank you is 감사합니다 and it is mostly used, which means thank you. Next is also a formal way of saying, which is 고맙습니다. 고맙습니다. First one was 감사합니다. Second is 고맙습니다. Both means thank you, but mostly the first one is used. But you should also know the second one, that if someone use, so you know that what does it means. Third one is casual way of saying thank you, but it don't means basically thank you. It means thanks. It's a casual way. So you say 고마워, 고마워, which means thanks, and it is a casual way of saying thank you in Korean. Use 감사합니다 to be polite and use 고마워 with friends or younger ones. Next one is how to say you're welcome. First one is so much formal, so mostly people don't use it, but you should know if someone uses it so you can understand. It's 천만에요. 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 It means you're welcome. Next one is a polite way of saying you're welcome, which is 괜찮아요. It literally don't means you're welcome. It means it's okay. So how do we say 괜찮아요? Third one is 아니야. It's a casual way of saying you're welcome, but it literally don't means you're welcome. It means no problem. 아니야. Okay. So 천만에요 is very formal. 괜찮아요 means it's okay and 아니야 is casual. Next is sorry. How do we say sorry in formal way? 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. It means I am very sorry. Second one is 미안합니다. 미안합니다. It's also a formal way of saying sorry and it means I am sorry. Third one is 미안해. 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 It's a casual way of saying sorry and it just means sorry. First one was I am very sorry, I am sorry, and then sorry. 죄송합니다 is the most polite. 미안합니다 is also formal and 미안해요 is casual. You can use it according to the situation. Next one is yes and no. How do we say yes? It's ne. Ne. Next is no. For no, we say 아니요. 아니요. Ne is polite and formal, and 아니요 is a polite way to say no. But we use ne and 아니요 in both formal and informal situations. Next is nice to meet you. How do we say nice to meet you in formal way? We say 만나서 반갑습니다. Repeat again. 만나서 반갑습니다. It means nice to meet you. How do we say nice to meet you in casual form? We say 만나서 반가워. 만나서 반가워. It also means nice to meet you. So, use 만나서 반갑습니다 formally and use 만나서 반가워 with friends. Now's your time to practice. Try saying these phrases aloud. First one is 안녕하세요. 만나서 반갑습니다. It means hello, nice to meet you. Second one is 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. It means thank you, goodbye. That's it for lesson 1. Practice these greetings daily. You will get used to them quickly. Stay tuned for the next lesson. Fighting!